Welcome back to the channel. My name's Tom, and today my mom and I are checking out a place I've wanted to visit for over 40 years, Hebert's Candy Mansion in Shrewsbury, Massachusetts. When I was a kid, we used to go to the Hebert's Candy Mansion located in Sturbridge, Massachusetts, usually when we were on our way to Maine or New Hampshire for summer vacation. But sadly, the Sturbridge location and all the other Hebert's locations except this one are now closed. So now let's see what they got. Yeah. Non-reals. I don't remember white chocolate ones.
No.
Oh wow, it all looks good.
I know. What's that?
Graham crackers.
Peanut brittle. Oh, it smells good. It's got a good smell with.
The top row is all different fudges, and those are going for $6.95 a bag.
I haven't seen that in there.
Maple walnut caramels. Those were $8.95. These are milk chocolate peanut sea salt caramels. It's $6.95 for the package, which isn't a terrible price.
Those are
You'd probably see something very similar at like a local Stop and Shop or Big Y. These are chocolate covered almonds and cashews. They're $6.95 a bag.
peanut clusters.
And don't forget, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and hit that notification bell. Thanks.
Shopping baskets.
Outside of the small bags of chocolate, the prices do tend to get a little bit expensive. These are the half-pound fancy collection chocolates. They're $22.95 a box. The yellow boxes are of what they're calling Genevas, and the 8-ounce box is $20.95, and the 16-ounce is $34.95, which is considerably more than you'd pay for like a box of Russell Stovers, for example.
Really
But you are paying for quality. These are much better chocolates than, say, like Hershey or Nestle, for example.
Whoa! Should have watched that
Yes.
sign.
Not only is this the only remaining retail location of Hebert's, it's actually their factory, the only factory as far as I know. Here's an overhead view of the place. The building to the left is the mansion where we are, and then the light colored buildings to the right are all factory. So there's a lot going on behind the scenes here. I'm not sure if they do tours of the actual factory, but if they do, I would love to go on one. The building which we're in now is a stone Tudor mansion. It was originally called Hillswold Mansion and was built sometime around 1912. It didn't become the Hebert Candy Mansion until 1946, when it was purchased by the founder of Hebert's, Frederick Hebert. However, by the time that the Candy Mansion opened, he had already been making chocolate since 1917. And from what I understand, the operation was fairly small scale until the opening of the Candy Mansion. As far as I know, all the chocolate for sale here is made by Hebert's in this factory. However, this stuff here is not, as far as I know. This all appears to be made by other manufacturers, and they've either kept them in the original packaging or they've put them in bags that say Hebert's on them. But I'm 99% sure most of these candies here are not made by Hebert's. They're just reselling them. Because like they have like Jelly Belly jelly beans, which obviously are not made by Hebert's. So you'd find a lot of this stuff in pretty much any grocery store or other candy store. Most of the candies in the bags here were going for about $3.95 a bag. Here's some hollow milk chocolate. They've got one shaped like a motorcycle for $10.95. Then this bus is $19.95. And below that they have a limo, which is also $19.95, and then a convertible, which looks like a Corvette to me, for $14.95.
You think we're going to be okay? I think so for right now.
Yeah, I've seen these in the store.
Oh, I haven't seen that.
Yeah, I haven't tried them with it because they don't have any like regular flavors. Like just a piece of chocolate, I would like.
I think I might have been wrong about seeing those in the store because I think you can only buy them here and also through their fundraising division. If I'm wrong about that, please let me know in the comments. These marshmallow squares are $5.95 each, and they're basically giant Rice Krispie treats. I ended up buying this one, and it was great. It was probably the best Rice Krispie treat I've ever had. And I don't think $5.95 is a terrible price. So now this is the good stuff. On the middle row they have turtles, and those are $2.95 each. And then on the bottom row they have chocolate almond clusters, which are also $2.95 each.
No, I know. I had to make the whole circle.
On the right we have chocolate covered blueberries, then chocolate bridge mix, and chocolate cranberries. And those range between $4.95 and $6.95 a bag. Here's some more nonpareils. They've got white chocolate ones on the top and chocolate on the bottom, and they're $7.95 a bag. And I did buy a bag of the white chocolate ones. I actually love white chocolate. Even though it's technically not chocolate, but whatever, it's good. And fun fact, Hebert's was actually the first company to introduce white chocolate to the United States, believe it or not.
Oh, there's more over here we didn't see.
Oh, yeah.
They really, oh, there's shopping basket.
Another fun fact that I didn't know before I started doing research for this video was that this candy mansion was the first roadside retail confectionery business in the United States.
Were you waiting for something?
Huh?
Were you waiting for something?
Yeah, I'm gonna. Can you help me?
These 9-piece boxes of chocolate are $14.95 a piece.
Could I get a white chocolate almond cluster? And maybe a milk chocolate one.
Alright, so far, time to go on.
Oh, good, thank you. And milk chocolate cashew turtle.
Turtle?
Yes, please. Yep. The more you buy, the cheaper they get.
Yeah.
So they go from $2 a piece all the way up to a 50-piece being $44.95. But I decided to go somewhere in the middle with a 9-piece, which is $14.95.
Hi.
You guys want something on the cake?
Yeah.
Okay,
I'd like to get I guess a 9-piece
okay.
and
Get ready.
okay.
Going into surgery here.
There you go.
Added it. 9 pieces. I'm ready when you are.
All right, could I have a milk chocolate toffee cream truffle,
Okay.
dark chocolate cherry cream,
Okay.
and let's see what we got over here. How about a milk chocolate tiramisu truffle?
Okay.
Dark chocolate raspberry truffle. What am I up to now?
You have 5 more.
5 more?
Yep.
Okay, but a dark chocolate caramel truffle. And a dark chocolate toasted coconut truffle.
Okay. 3 more.
Milk chocolate classic truffle.
Okay.
White chocolate classic truffle. I got one more.
1 more.
I better make it count. Let's see. But a dark chocolate black forest truffle.
What is Black Forest? Does anyone? Do you know?
I don't know. I think it's. I always thought it was chocolate cake. But
Oh. I don't know.
I don't know either.
all right, thanks.
When people ask me, I say, I don't know. I'm so tired of tasting chocolates, they say, I don't know. And I hand them the chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah, here you go.
And here you go, you can try it.
All right, thank you.
Needless to say, those chocolates didn't last long. Then over here, they've got mostly the chocolate pops, which are $1.95 each. So if you're just looking to get a taste of Hebert's and not spend too much money, these are probably the best option.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here's more of the prepackaged chocolate bars, which are $3.75 each. And then back in this room, they have a lot more mostly non-chocolate candies, which I don't think are made by Hebert's, as far as I know. I think these are all just repackaged from other manufacturers.
Watermelon coconut strips.
Oh, that's strange.
Yeah.
Those are $4.95 a bag, and then next to those they have Jelly Ranchers, Sour Patch Kids, and Juju Fruit, and those are $3.95 a bag.
I call these gummy slices, but they look like gumdrops to me.
Yeah.
Those are just gumdrops.
These are bags of licorice, and they're $4.95 each.
Yeah, this is bigger than the one that was in Shrewsbury.
I don't know. It's probably
Oh,
doesn't seem a lot
we
bigger.
missed, there's another room back there that we didn't get.
I went down that.
Did you go down that one?
Yeah, it's just like pre-made stuff like this.
Oh.
These bags of candy are mostly $3.95 each, and they all look great, don't get me wrong. But if I'm coming to Hebert's, I'm coming for the chocolate, which is really what Hebert's is famous for and what they're best at. But let me know what you like. If you come to Hebert's, or if you came to Hebert's, are you there for the chocolate, or are you here for the non-chocolate candy like this, or both?
Oh, it must be like this.
Yeah. Can't go in here, but
I'm not sure if this room was part of the factory or just a kitchen or something, but they're currently using it for what looks like storage. And I'd really like to see what's behind that curtain.
I need a piece of chocolate. Real chocolate.
You didn't pick out any chocolate?
Just white chocolate, not dark chocolate. Or milk chocolate.
What I meant was just a piece of chocolate, not a chocolate truffle or a Rice Krispie treat, just a straight piece of chocolate. Which I did find, but for whatever reason I did not get it on film, except at the end at the checkout.
Oh boy, what you got?
A bunch of stuff.
Bunch of stuff.
Yeah.
Your car smells full.
That's supposed it's getting today.
No, you can do better than that. There's a 9-piece, marshmallow. Rose. She's driving around. I think she's on her phone call.
Oh. That hurts.
If chocolate and candy aren't your thing, they also sell ice cream. Sadly, no soft serve, though.
See if they have soft serve. We're serving this. No, I don't think they have soft serve.
No, I don't think so.
All right.
And there you have it. That's Hebert's Candy Mansion in Shrewsbury, Mass. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and hit that notification bell. I've got a lot more videos coming up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.